Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Francisville, local and long-distance movers near me. Plenty of options come with your long-distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Relocating doesn't have to be so difficult. We offer complete long-distance moving services to make it easier for you. Our team can help you move one state over or all the way across the country with ease. Does it seem like you might need a Kentucky moving company for your local move? Hiring professional movers is a smart decision. Moving requires a ton of hard work and heavy lifting. Why not turn this work over to professionals? With 3 Movers, you don't have to worry about damaged items or injuring yourself from the heavy lifting. We take care of everything and save you on time and energy. Our movers can turn a 5-day project for you into a few-hour move for us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Francisville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.